Okay, so emmet syntax profiles. And you can use this setting to change the profile output of emmet. Let me just give you some resources and then I'll give you an example. So you have this URL here where you can see more information about syntax profiles. And this really customizes the output profile of emmet. And you have the syntax profiles.json. I mean, it's not the file in VS Code, it's this setting we're looking at, but you have all the information you need in this URL here. So let me just give you an example of how to change emmet's output. So you probably know that you can already change emmet's output by using filters, for example. So we can add the comment filter, and when we expand this snippet, it's going to add the comment, right? Now, you can do that in line with the snippet, or you can enable that behavior globally. So you can actually come here, choose HTML, and then you can say filter comment. You want the comment to be there all the time, so that when you write something, it's going to automatically add. Why is it not adding the I think I made a mistake here. Filters, I think. Yeah, filters. So span class, it's going to add the comment. The comment is only added when you have a class or an ID. So you have a div with some ID. It's going to add the comment. If doesn't have any, if you have a snippet with no IDs, it's not going to comment that because it's Emmet thinks it's not important enough to have a comment there. Anyway, this is what the syntax profile setting does. You can customize the output of Emmet. I'm going to leave it empty because I don't need any customizations for now. And that's it.